on our next episode, we're gonna be showing you guys on how to make the Belizean Ceviche. So we are here right now at the vegetable store. So, okay, welcome to Mrs. Gotti, fresh fruits and veggies, groceries. They have the best prices out here. So, if you are in San Pedro, make sure you come by and get your vegetables and fruits right here. This is the spot. So. The mango. Pineapples right over there. Alright, please protein. Some more mango. Big lime. Can we do? We need the carrots now. Bigger one? Oh yeah, way better. My one, big one. So we just got out of the store, so you can see with it. 45 Belize. Just for a whole bunch of fruit. No? Even bought a pineapple. A big one, so 45 Belize. But the best price is here. Make sure you stop by and check it out. Okay guys, so we are here. We're gonna start making the ceviche right now. So let me show you the fruits we have and everything we're gonna do it with. So come over. We got the veggies there. We have some Mary Sharp to put it after. 100% Belizean product. And we have the black pepper, right? And we have the salt right here we're gonna add to it. So we're gonna start cutting it. Despacito, pues contarlo como lento. White onions. Tomatoes, right? Tomatoes next. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Some red pepper. Red sweet pepper. Gotta take out the seeds. Check it out. Not seeds. Not seeds. Oh yeah, this is the best part. This is what I like, sweet pepper. In my ceviche, we always need to have this. We have the yellow sweet pepper too, so. The Belizean Ceviche, right? So make sure you learn, guys. Carrots. This is a lot of veggies, man. When I make my ceviche, I like to always put a lot of vegetables on it. This here, the cilantro, I add it later. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the lime to the shrimp so it cooks it, you know. Pagalo. Okay guys, so we have our vegetables here. Almost, I think we're done with the vegetables. So we're gonna put it on a bigger container because this one here is not big enough. And we still gotta add the shrimp and we still gotta add the conchs, which I have them right there. So, we'll change it. Juicy, guys. It's looking red already, see? It's looking red already. Wow. Cover it and I'll leave it there like for 15-20 minutes so the juice cooks it, right? Lime juice. Sí, alejar. ¿Será que le pongo el otro más o ya no? So right now we're cleaning the conch, you know. We're gonna put some conch on it, so I gotta cut it in small little pieces so I can be able to eat it, right? So va a quedar bueno, va a quedar rich. Cevichazo para la mente. Put a shrimp. Okay guys, there's a little crab there. Alright guys, almost done. Make sure you follow us on Building My Belize on YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe. Conchs. This is the life on the island, guys. Ceviche. We have the shrimp, we have the conchs below it, so that it sucks it really good. The lime cooks it, right? So we have our veggies
This is the Island Life. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel, Building My Belize. Make sure you like and follow us for more content like this. Island life, right? Island living. So this is the life. Black pepper, black pepper. Alright, that's much as you can. This is much better than doing it with the big fork. Okay guys, so right now we have the veggies ready. We're gonna put our shrimps and the conch right in there. So that's a lot of shrimp. Check it out. Move it, shake it, shake it. Now we're gonna cover it, guys. Right. Check it out, Antonio. I'm gonna put some salt on it. Cilantro, guys. Final touch. Here we go. Belizean Ceviche. Eric, right here, man, finishing the video out. Check it out. Ceviche, man. You want some? Come get it.